plant products. Plants prepare their own food with the help of sunlight. Most of our food comes from plants. Some food products are ready to eat. Some need to be cooked. Some foods are ready to eat, like banana, orange, grapes. Some foods, like potato, rice, need to be cooked. Plants give us food. We get food from plants, which include fruits, vegetables, cereals, pulses, sugar, tea and coffee. Apple, grapes, orange, mango, banana, cherries are some of the fruits that we eat. Vegetables. We get vegetables from plants. Vegetables are good for our health. We must eat green vegetables. Carrot contains vitamin A, which is good for our eyes. Capsicum, cauliflower, tomato, brinjal, carrot, and potato are some of the vegetables. Cereals. Wheat, rice, and maize are some of the cereals we eat. Cereals are energy-giving food. Pulses. We get pulses from plants. Grams, peas, beans are some of the pulses we eat. Pulses are protein-rich food. tea and coffee. Tea and coffee plants grow on hills. Sugar. We get sugar from sugarcane plant. Plants are very useful to us. We should look after plants.